Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel guys, and today in this video here you can see here's the Zebronics motherboard guys. Today we are going to unbox this product. Not only that, actually we are having SSD and RAM also. Sorry, yeah, we are having SSD and RAM also, here you can see. And before unboxing this, just I need to tell one thing. What means guys, just I'm going to build a small budget PC actually. This I'm going to build, so only I am purchasing this products guys. Currently we have got a motherboard, RAM and SSD. Still processor and CPU fan is there. It is currently on the way, the product status is. And guys, I have ordered this products in Flipkart actually guys. Just some few products were got delivered, but still some products need to get. It is on the way. Okay guys, just come on. Just now I'm going to unbox this motherboard first. Actually this is a Zebronics motherboard guys. The model is Zeb H110, and this socket is LGA 1151. There's a LAN grade actually, and it supports NVM also. M.2 slot is also there in this motherboard. Let's turn backside. And guys, actually this motherboard is based on Intel processors only. Actually AMD will not get support in this. And here you can see here itself they mentioned supported CPU, Intel Pentium Celeron i3 i5 i7. In that 6th 7th 8th and 9th generation only will get support guys in this motherboard. And not only that, this is based on DDR4 RAM, not 3. This is DDR4 RAM, DDR4, which will get support in this motherboard. There is a 2 slots is there for the RAM, and the RAM capacity which it supports up to 32 GB, and plus onboard interface. This all the interface were there guys. You can see it's good. And this is a MicroTX motherboard guys, just note that too. And okay, that's it. Okay guys, let's go on now. It's time to unbox it. And guys, this motherboard price is around 3,358. I purchased this in Flipkart. Actually on the time it is an offer, so we have got some discounted rate. And okay guys, let's go on. It's now time to do unboxing. Yeah, come on. Yeah, you can see guys, here's the SATA cable. You can see, keep this aside. And here's the installation driver. Okay, that's it. And there's a user manual, and this is some instructions they have written here, do and not. Okay, and this is the side panel, interface panel. And okay, it's now time to take this motherboard out. You can see guys, actually we need to handle this with very care, because yes, we need to take this out. Let's come on. Yeah, I have taken this out actually. Here you can see guys, here's the motherboard, and here's the socket, processor socket actually. Just we need to take this out like this, and here you can see we need to place a processor guys. Here you can see it's good. Okay, we'll close this up. Okay, we need to close it later, because actually I'm having phone one side guys. It's not comfortable for me to close this actually. Okay, there's the processor socket, you can see. And here's the RAM slots guys, you can see. And this is for power ATX, and there's a PCI slot guys here, and there's the SATA slots. And here you can see here's the IO device interface. It's good. And here's the CMOS battery. It's good. Okay, we need to close this out first. Okay, yeah, it's got locked. good. And there's a front panel, you can see pins are there. Think there's a front panel, yes, yeah, here you can see F panel, it's front panel only. It's good, guys. This is the motherboard, Zebronics motherboard. Actually still SMPS cabinet and processor, and processor fan is pending, guys. Still from Flipkart side they need to deliver that. Okay, let's come on, guys. It's now time to unbox this. I don't know, guys, what is inside. Actually there's a 2 box which I have got today, which we have got a delivery from Flipkart. Actually in this box, one is RAM and the other one is SSD. I don't know in which box what are all there. Let's first, I need to tear and open it out. Let's see whether this is RAM or SSD. I need to check it out. I think, okay, here you can see, guys, this is SSD 128 GB EVM SSD. Actually this is, it's good. Okay, let's keep this aside. And there's a SATA cable also there for this. And I think there's a RAM, guys. I have purchased 8 GB RAM only, guys. Later I will upgrade. Just I need to remove the tapes first. Okay, I have removed, and you can see here's the RAM, guys. EVM RAM, actually it's good. 8 GB RAM DDR4, it's good, yeah. Yes, this RAM price is 1450, and this SSD price is 1000, around 1008 rupees exactly. I need to tell means it's good. Actually the entire product including motherboard, SSD, RAM plus processor and cabinet and SMPS and what I left, yeah, processor is left. Including all of this, the cost is which it is around 9,000 rupees. I have spent for this small budget PC. Actually I'm going to insert a processor, Intel Core i3 Gen here, including all of these components, processor and motherboard, all of these kind of components. The final price is around 9,000 rupees, which I have spent for purchasing this products and all, guys. Motherboard, this kind of things and all. Okay, guys, this all things which I have got, and still pending is there. Cabinet, SMPS, processor and CPU fan is pending. Still I have already placed the order, they need to deliver, it is on the way. And okay, guys, in next video just we will start building a PC, small PC, budget PC. Just we will start PC building. Actually, guys, this video is very helpful for overall the beginners in computer side, computer hardware side and all. You can share this video. Just I will show you the entire thing from scratch, building this PC inch by inch. Okay, you can share this video for who are all interested in building the PC, small PC. Okay, and okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or doubts, just ask in below comment section. Definitely I will reply, guys. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.